Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to be doing a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Lion. Because yes, you can draw a lion, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you have those things and you are ready, I am ready too, and let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to turn our paper on its side, and kind of in the middle of your paper, you're going to make a big 3. A 3. Around the tree, around the tree. There you go, you have it, a 3. Then you're going to turn your board back right side up. Now, you might need to work on your 3 a little bit. It also is like the top part of a heart. And you're going to make those lines just a little bit longer, and then you're going to make a half a circle. Are you with me so far? That's the hardest part, and now everything else is going to be super simple. The next thing that you're going to do is right up here in the top part where you've made your 3, you're going to draw 2 circles and then give them some little pupils. All right? Now it's kind of still looking a little froggy. I'm going to ask you one more time to turn your board on its side, and right in the middle where your 3 and your half circle meet, you're going to make a capital D. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see that just a little bit better. A capital D, and then turn your board back up, or your paper back, and from this D, you're going to make a straight line down. As you know, if you've been drawing with me in the past, anytime I spend drawing with you is a time I'm having a good time, and I will always make my creatures be smiley faced. So at the bottom of my straight line, I'm going to turn it up. Now lions have little whiskers, so we're going to give it some little dots just around its face right here. That way you can still see its face without drawing its big whiskers. I forgot one thing above its eyes. Go ahead and make just a little line above each of your circles so you can have some eyebrows. Now, we're getting closer still. On the outside of this shape, we're going to make 2 rainbow shapes above the 3 bumps. One is going to be an ear, and so is the other one. And then you're going to make a smaller rainbow on the inside of each of those. All right, now we're cooking. Now, around this entire shape, we're going to be making like a fluffy cloud or a giant flower. It's really up to you. If you want your hair to be messy, you can do it as messy as you want. A little bit neater. I'm going to show you what I mean because I think that'll help. So I'm going to start in between his ears, and I'm just going to do 3 bumps this way, 3 bumps this way, 2 bumps under, and then another 2 bumps. Voila! So you can see it's like a cloud or a flower, like a Dr. Seuss flower. That's it. You can have as many little bumps as you want. You could even do something that's more spiky if you want. Just depends on what you want your lion's hair to look like, its mane. All right. So from here, we're going to draw a U and an L and a backwards L. So now we have some arms. At the bottom of each of these L's, one forwards, one backwards, you're going to make 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3. And at the end of each of those bumps, you're going to just draw some lines. Those are its claws. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Simple, right? Now, this might be the hardest part of the whole shebang. We're going to draw some feet, and I know you can do it. So we're going to start off by making kind of a lazy L. See how it's lazy? And then we're going to make a loop and go back up. Loop and back up. We're going to make a backwards lazy L and loop and go back up. So one of my bottom paws is bigger than the other, and that's okay. If it really bothers me, I can erase it and make it better. But right now, I just want you to get the basic idea that you can make mistakes, and it's okie dokie artichokey. So on his feet, we're going to give him some claws also, similar to up here, but we're going to keep them all on his paw. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's one final step. Lions are like kitties, and they have long tails with kind of a little floof at the end. So right here, we're going to make a shape that's kind of an S, and then we're going to follow our line. And when we get to the end, make a C. And then some little spikes. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you can draw a lion, because you just did. I hope you really go back and I think I'm going to go back and experiment with making my fur a little bit different and changing my mane up. I hope you really enjoyed making a lion with me. I enjoyed making a lion with you. If you had fun, hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my page and hit that bell for notifications when future videos come out. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.